Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to make a Prizepicks account. So first, open up your web browser and search for Prizepicks. And then just click on the first link that will pop up. And then click on the sign up button right here at the top right corner. And then type in your email. Once you're done, click on continue and then enter your full name. Once you're done, click on continue and then enter your date of birth. Once you're done, click on continue, enter your address, and then once you're done, click on continue, and then lastly, create a password. So your password must contain at least one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character, and it must be 8 characters long. So just enter your password and then just click this box right here and then click on create account, and then you are done. As you can see, you now have your own Prizepicks account and then you can start using it. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to create a Prizepicks account. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.